Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to choose a rocket engine for your motor rocket. So as I said, today's topic will be choosing a engine. So, how do you even choose an engine? Well, there's three key factors. Okay? How high you want the thing to go. How heavy your rocket is. How complex it is. There's different engines depending on what you want your rocket to do. Complex tasks. So, let's talk about the first one. So height, right? For beginners, I recommend engines between the A to C range. And I recommend SS engine. So like all the type engines, I'm recommending SS. So A to C. So there's like the A3, there's the B64, and there's like a C engine and like a continuum. But people who want stronger engines, I still recommend SS. That's my best company for rockets and rocket engines. Okay. Strong engine like D, E, F. But beyond that, you need like a license to actually do it. But for beginners, this is choosing engine for beginners. I would go saying between the A to C range. Depending on the rocket, A would go an average of about anywhere between 200 to like 400 feet. B would go about 350. This all depends on the rock. More like 300 to 700 feet. This is the average. Could go a little more. And then C would go an average of 400 to up to 1,500 feet. But see, C has the biggest range. But that's what I'm talking about. So if you want to go decent height, I recommend B. If you want to go super high, this. If you like a beginner want your first ever rocket, A. So that's how you choose on height. And there is a chart that I will attach in the description saying the names of all rocket engines from SS, the height they go, how long they burn for. Next is the weight. So every rocket engine has a top weight it can hold. So like I think one of them could be like 33 grams. So if your rocket is over 33 grams, then I recommend a stronger engine. And if it's over 40 grams, another stronger engine. So that can also help you choose. If we got an ABC simple rockets, that would be fine. You don't really need to worry about weight, but if you have more complex, it makes a difference. Even a slight thing like B64 and B66, two different things. It makes a difference. And as I said, complexity. So there are normal single-stage rocket engines. Single-stage engines. There's also something that's called booster stage engines. So that is when the rocket has two different stages and separates. A booster stage engines would be the base. So this is a single stage. That's what I'm pretty sure every beginner rocket is a single stage engine. Once you get more advanced, it would be this. And then there's more stuff like there's second stage engines, which connects to this. This connects to this, second stage. Okay? And that would be the top one. So, a single stage engine, something like this. You have a little thing. There's a nose cone. And then you have a rocket. A booster stage would be if you have a rocket like this. With a nose cone. It would be cut off here. This would be the booster stage. That would be the second stage. See the difference? So that's basically what all the difference is. So that is how you choose what rocket engine you want. As I said, I'll put a link in the description for how to for the chart that says all the stuff about the engines. Okay? And when buying them, you should go through Hobby Lobby for beginners. That is the best place. If you don't have a Hobby Lobby near you, I recommend going in the store. Then you just go to the Amazon. There you go. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe.